Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a buy button to your store in Ecwid. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you're not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by the main page right here where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account if you have not already, and after logging in successfully you'll be greeted by this home page right here where the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So guys, let's go and take a look at how we can get started with adding a buy button anywhere we want, maybe on a different website, on our website, and so on. What we're looking for guys is right here in the sales channels. So you want to click sales channels right here. That's going to open up this new menu where you can take a look at all the sales channels you have, where you can sell on the go, you can sell on Facebook and other social media, and so on. What we want to do is scroll all the way down until we find sell on your website. Right here in sell on your website, the last option is going to be buy buttons. Add a buy button for your products anywhere on your website, blog, or even your friend's blog and start selling immediately. So what we can do guys is click the get started option right here next to the blog option for buying buttons. So basically what you can do is select the product that you want to create the buy button for. You can pick a product right here. I'm going to select the product, and now you can go and select what kind of buy button you want. You have your preview right here, so you can maybe only a button, or you want a full size 3 columns, and so on. You can select whichever option you prefer. Once you have gotten your desired appearance, what you can do is just click the generate code option right here, and this is going to enable you to go ahead and copy your code that you can use and embed anywhere you want on any website to get your buy button. And it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.